Bodies of 3 boat capsizing victims at Chadong Mapo Dam remain untraceable despite intense search operation. And Cyclone Fani expected to intensify into very severe cyclonic storm by tomorrow, expected to change path from northwest to northeast from May 1st. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories and latest news. Bodies of the 3 victims of boat capsizing at Taubal River of Mapo Dam in yesterday's late afternoon heavy storm remain untraceable. Personnel of State Police, 12th Battalion, National Disaster Response Force, NDRF and State Disaster Response Force, SDRF put in relentless efforts to find the missing persons. However, the Disaster Response Force personnel were unable to dive in the 120 feet deep river at Mapo Dam in Chadong village of Kamzong district, as their gas equipment were sufficient just enough to dive in till a depth of 35 feet. Meanwhile, sources said the state government has undertaken stern measures against the incident. It also said government will ban boats made by unauthorized companies at these tourist spots. Meanwhile, Center for Research and Advocacy Manipur in a press release expressed deep concerns over the boat capsizing incident at Chadong village, which killed 3 people. CRAM urged the relevant authorities to take proper precautionary measures at the tourist spot, which has claimed 16 lives so far. Many villages in Tecnopal district were damaged in yesterday's heavy storm. 25 houses of H. Mongjang village, 2 houses in L. Paimol village, 25 in New Mongjang village, 1 house in TM Zaumunon village, 11 house in K. Zalenmol village and 4 houses in K. Kolin village were damaged by the storm. Tin roofs of many houses were blown away while some houses were completely destroyed. Village Secretary Saikolin Kongsai urged the government to look into their plights. Cyclone Fani is expected to intensify into a very severe cyclonic storm by tomorrow and will continue to move northwest and change its path to northeast India, including Manipur, from May 1st. The cyclonic storm Fani on Monday morning was located at 880 km of southeast of Chennai. According to the Met Department, landfall over Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is ruled out. However, the possibility of landfall in Orissa is under continuous watch. The National Disaster Response Force and Indian Coast Guard have been put on high and placed at the disposal of state government authorities. The Met Department has been issuing 3 hourly bulletins with the latest forecast to all the concerned states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today directed officials to take preventive measures to deal with cyclonic Fani, which is expected to intensify into a very severe cyclonic storm by tomorrow. The Prime Minister has asked the officials to be prepared to provide all possible assistance. He urged them to work closely with governments of the affected states. On the directions of the Prime Minister, Cabinet Secretary P.K. Sinha reviewed the preparedness of coastal states through video conference to deal with the situation. Officials of Met Department, Ministries of Home and Defense and National Disaster Management Authority were among those who attended the meeting. Two-day training program on combating wildlife trafficking begins at the main conference hall of the State Forest Department headquarters in Sanjenthong today. Wildlife Wing of State Forest Department organized a program in collaboration with Wildlife Conservation Society Bangalore and Wildlife Crime Control Branch, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. Taking part in the event, Additional Chief Secretary of Forest and Environment, Dr. Sohail Akhtar, urged all the staffs of the Forest Department to acquaint themselves with the guidelines under Wildlife Trafficking Act for effective and proper implementation of the Act.
There is a requirement for government officials to understand what basically is a protected forest or a reserve forest or sanctuary, and what are the activities which actually can take place, what cannot take place. And this should also probably be given this training to our Panchayati Raj representatives and ADC, because many people are not very much clear if what exactly it is. So most of the time what happens is that ultimately they come in conflict, and we are having some problems with some organizations.
6-day training program on fishery, poultry and pig rearing for farmers kicked off at the training hall of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Henbung in Kangpokpi district today. More than 75 farmers of Kangpokpi and Senapati districts took part in the training sponsored by Northeast Council NEC Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner of Kangpokpi district, Lalitham Bigal, asserted that the training program will be of great benefit to livestock farmers. She urged farmers to carry out agricultural activities using latest innovative tools and equipments to enhance their production in the wake of decreasing cultivable lands due to rising population. She also urged the farmers to avail the opportunities provided under NEC.
So this training program is mainly organized here to improve the livelihood for the farmers, because the farmers should not always depend about the agriculture and its productivity. During the lean period, they can go for this such kind of rearing activities also. So it will be kind of an integrated farming. So when we teach them how to do this livestock farming, I think that can help them to go for integrated farming, and it kind of a supportive livelihood for them. They can get a lot of income.
Changamdabi Mohammedan Club, Khaiparok Youth Development Organization and Changamdabi Idighar Club have warned to take strict actions against those concerned for misusing the name of President of Changamdabi Mohammedan Club, Mohammad Anis Shah, in boycotting the MLA of Andhra constituency, Thaunajam Shyamkumar, demanding clarification from those concerned in 3 days. Mohammad Anis lauded MLA Shyamkumar for undertaking various welfare projects for the minority communities residing in the constituency. Speaking to media at Yairi Pok, Changamdabi today, Mohammad Anis termed it unfortunate that some organizations have boycotted a local MLA, Secretary of Khaiparok Youth Development Organization, Mohammad Alam Khan, and Vice President of Changamdabi Idighar Club, Mohammad Jalaluddin, were also present in the press release.
Ngasigi tawjariba press meeting asida yauriba Changamdabi Idighar Club, Khaiparok Youth Development Organization amadi Changamdabi Mohammedan Club CMC ai samak Changamdabi Mohammedan Club CMC ge president amu oina club tarana munsallaga honorable minister T.S. Shyamkumar bu social boycott tawre hairiba yumphom yawdo from aduda yawrakliba club ahumbu mingchathian nawa hotnariba asi hairiba club ahum asiga hiram amata da mari lainakhiba leite amadi meeting asida club sing asigi executive amata sign tawruba amadi meeting yawruba leite club sing asibu mingchathian nawa hotnariba asibu numi humni gi manungda club sing asida changjaraktaba taragadi legal oiba action lokhatlagani.
Meanwhile, President of Women Wing Development Organization Andhra Kendra, Sukham Premita, clarified that there is no women organization with the name Laimanai Women's Society in Laimanai area. Speaking to media at Yairi Pok, Laimanai today, Premita condemned that some anonymous people under the banner of Laimanai Women's Society have boycotted MLA of Andhra constituency, Thaunajam Shyamkumar. She maintained that women folks of Laimanai along with the local MLA are spearheading various welfare activities, especially for women in the area. It may be mentioned that 8 organizations of Andhra comprising of local clubs and Maira Paibi associations have recently boycotted the local MLA.
Lemonai Women Society ki secretary ne na soi tawraga thadariba member siju ai group sida member ama oina yaruga ma senthang phangiba member amani khoina ngasi je ma gi mayum da chalaga sugumba women society haiba ji mai ise kaigumba ise na semgiba leibra na khoi masa da chalaga hangjaruba matam da ma masa na haire ise ai semgiba kaigumba amta leite ai idea dugumba ju karimta ju haite tawbagi di ai ngarang ji moina meeting ama lei haidana kawi ado meeting du gi lakpagi soi tawramu haidana soi tawrami aduga sumaina press media da thokani agenda haibdi thoiba agenda ji gi maram da ma karigumba amta khangda bidama sumna khaki meeting du yaurubagi soi tawrambani haidana mai masana hairame
Iramdam Kanba Apunba Loop Ikal organized Sajibu Khudol Tamba event at PCYWC Hall in Palace Compound today. Speaking in the event, titular King Maidingu Laisembasana Jauba asserted that it is high time to unite all Manipuri diasporas residing in various parts of the northeast states. Gifts were presented to Manipuri diasporas from Tripura and Assam on the occasion.
Notice the lady ba apik pa state sing aduga apik pa furup sing mayam si ko ngasi choina taraga su ko ngasi pau phongno matam ore ko ngasi punjam lam matam ore maruina hojik ko gi lamda ko kep lak pagi khot pagi aki ba leiba mayam se ko masai sida ko notice the lady ba ko gi ai mamang da su haija kare ko gi indigenous people sing political parties sing or any civil society kogi miyang du thabak toriba sing loina makse punjal laga adu mapang kalma no disama sagat pagi matam do oire.
Two-day-long international dance day organized by Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy kicked off at auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy on DM College campus today. Performance of Payeng Harauba, Kom tribal dance, Mao dance, Mongsang dance, Chothe dance and Tarao dance were the main highlights of the event. Varied cultural dances will be showcased tomorrow. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Transporters and Drivers Council taking bedridden driver Naurem Manglem Chao for treatment in Guwahati. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Transporters and Drivers Council (TDC) has taken bedridden driver Naurem Manglem Chao for treatment in Guwahati. TDC team of 5 members led by TDC executive member Brahmachari Mayum Dhanabir picked up Manglem Chao from his residence at Patsoi, Part 1 and left for treatment in Guwahati around 7:30 this morning. Speaking on the occasion, TDC President Hizam Ranjit said that another team of TDC members already left for Guwahati in advance on flight this morning to facilitate his treatment. He reassured that TDC will bear all the medical expenses required for Manglem Chao's treatment. Ranjit appreciated Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai for all her supports and assistance. It may be mentioned that driver Naurem Manglem Chao was engaged in ferrying rice for Food Corporation of India from Ziribam to Imphal. He sustained critical backbone injury from a fatal accident that occurred at Babupara in Ziribam on October 19, 2018, which left him bedridden since then.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯒꯧꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯝꯕꯨꯂꯦꯟꯁꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ MLA ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ A.K. ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯕꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ TDCꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯗ TDCꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ TDCꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
Prime suspects in the murder of Pizam Mohindra from Takil Kolom Laikai were produced before the Court of Judicial Magistrate, First Class Imphal West 2 today. Irate residents of Takil Kolom Leka stormed the court as the police brought the two prime suspects, wife of the deceased Renuka and Longjam Dorendro from Taupungkhok Makha Leka, to the court around 11 a.m. Judge Moirangthem Hiralata has ordered to put the two prime suspects into 15-day judicial custody. Timely intervention of police force contained the mob and avoided any unwanted incidents. Teaching, non-teaching staffs and students of St. Jomai Chingamakha High School express deepest condolences on the demise of Y. Nandeshwari from Chingamakha Oinam Lairak, who served as the headmistress in charge of the school since 2017. 150 litres of country liquors were seized during an anti-liquor drive by KADA at Wabagai Lamkai Bazaar in Kakching district yesterday. Members of KADA Kakching district committee seized illicit liquor from 3 vendors identified as Huidrom Devan, Laishram Chand and Mayang Langbam Sanjit, all from Wabagai Lamkai. The seized liquors were set ablaze and destroyed in public then and there. Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at Thangal Bazar areas today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police, Aribham Ghanashyam, carried out the search drive at Major Khul, Kalibari, Delhi Motors, Manipur Press Club, Jalal Provisions Crossing, MG Avenue and Hotel Nongin from 8:05 a.m. to 8:55 a.m. Altogether, 372 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 15 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. The team continued search drives at Pauna Bazar areas like Mahabir Pharmacy to Ibohal Cycle, BT Road near MPP office and M sector from 4:45 to 5:35 this evening. 478 were verified, out of which 8 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Imphal West District Wushu Association, in a press release, invited all Wushu players of Imphal West for participating in the 19th state-level sub-junior and junior boys and girls Wushu Championship. Imphal West District Wushu Association is organizing the event under Wushu Association of Manipur, Khoman Lampak on May 25th and May 26th at the Community Hall of St. Jomai Chingamathak, How Ground. Interested Wushu players of Imphal West may register themselves at the office of the association at St. Jomai Chingamathak, How Ground from May 5th till May 10. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. Bodies of 3 boat capsizing victims at Chadong Mapo Dam remain untraceable despite intense search operation. And Cyclone Fani expected to intensify into very severe cyclonic storm by tomorrow, expected to change path from northwest to northeast from May.